in the Karnataka Game of Thrones? That's the question on everyone's mind, and that is the top story that we are tracking this morning, and it's coming in from the state of Karnataka. So the Congress's internal tussle seems to be heating up, and the fight is now out in the open. Both Siddaramaiah and DK Shivakumar are no longer whispering dissent. They are posting about it. It started when DK Shivakumar posted, "What power is world power?" You're seeing that post on your screens. And he went on to say that it is the biggest force that is to keep one's word. Everyone has to walk the talk, said DK Shivakumar. This was a clear swipe at the, the alleged rotational CM deal that was struck after the 2023 victory. And hours later, Siddaramaiah also fired back. He said, and I'm going to quote from what Siddaramaiah said, "A word is not power unless it betters the world for the people." So what was once a secret fight has now exploded into an open war of words between Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and his own deputy. Watch this.
Kharge ji said that he will call you and DK Shivakumar to Delhi, sir.
Let him call.
So he's made a statement that
Let them call. See, whatever decision High Command takes, I will follow.
ಯಾರು ಕರೆದಿಲ್ಲ ನಾಳೆ ಇಂದಿರಾ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಅವರು ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆ ಮಾಡಿದಂತ 50 ವರ್ಷದ ಅಂಗನವಾಡಿ ಅಕ್ಕಪಡೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಇದೆ. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಮುಂಬೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೊಂದು ಖಾಸಗಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಇದೆ. ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈಗ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಹೋಗಿ ರಾತ್ರಿ ವಾಪಸ್.
This power sharing thing, we do not know. Honestly, when the CLP assembled, and there was no mention of power sharing.
Now the unending drama continues after Deputy Chief Minister DK Shivakumar's "word power is world power" line sparked off speculation. DK Shivakumar also clarified. He said that he was only speaking about the importance of words on Constitution Day. But in a state where every phrase fuels fresh political fire, DK Shivakumar now seems to be caught in his own maze of messaging. And as the tug of war between him and Chief Minister Siddaramaiah intensifies yet again. Now, is this just wordplay or is there deeper play for the top post? Here's that clarification from DK Shivakumar.
Yesterday I was speaking on the our Constitution Day. Whatever judges speak, whatever politicians speak, whatever they speak is very much important. I said that all the advocates, for all the advocates, I said when you speak, you should be, when you convey the message, it should be very important. That is what I am telling. Whatever we speak in our word, that is called pratigna. That is the word, our tongue. That is I said, word power is world power.
Word power is world power, and then comes a post from the Chief Minister of Karnataka. The war of words is escalating, the tussle is intensifying. But Niyamika, I'd like to take this question with you first up. The focus was supposed to be on the High Command. The decision is in their court. Where is the High Command? What are the Gandhis doing? Because Mallikarjun Kharge first said that we will call all the key stakeholders to the capital. There will be a meeting and we will resolve the issues. He spoke about giving a medicine. He spoke about Rahul Gandhi being in that meeting. But where is the High Command? What have they decided? What are they going to do next?
Well, right now we are standing outside the residence of Congress President Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, and I would also like to show you the visuals here. As here there is absolute silence. There is no such movement. There is no such meeting which is being called by the Congress High Command today, as well as we have got to know from our sources that there is no such development as of now which is being planned by the Congress High Command. If we talk about the Karnataka power tussle in particular, as for that reason it was being stated earlier by the Congress Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge that very soon this entire issue is going to be resolved. There will be a mediation which will be done by the party high command, where several of the leaders, the top leaders from the state of Karnataka, will be called to the national capital, as it is also being told by the sources within the Congress party that Mallikarjun Kharge has also communicated to the Gandhis regarding this entire issue. Be it Rahul Gandhi or Sonia Gandhi, he had spoken to both of these leaders, and he had also mentioned that this needs to be resolved as soon as possible. So we can expect that in the upcoming 2 to 3 days, there might be a possibility of a high-level meeting for the Karnataka power tussle in the national capital, as the party high command is going to call both DK Shivkumar as well as Siddaramaiah to Delhi, where they are going to hold a discussion regarding this entire matter. Both Siddaramaiah as well as DK Shivkumar is currently having their fingers crossed for this entire matter, because we have seen that how the wordplay has already begun. There are various statements coming in from the side of both of these leaders. But if we talk about the chief ministerial position, then there are other aspirants for this particular position, and that has become the major problem for the Congress High Command itself. It is not just about Siddaramaiah or DK Shivkumar, but there are other leaders within the Karnataka Congress who are having the similar aspirations, which also includes G. Parmeshwara or Satish Jarkioli, and that is the only reason why the Congress party is yet to make a decision that whether there will be a change in the leadership of the Karnataka government, or it is still going to continue, because we have seen that how there was several of the leaders within the Congress party who are trying to make pressure on the Congress High Command to change the leadership there for the change of guard. But as of now, there is absolute silence if we talk about the Congress High Command.
So absolute silence, but it was Mallikarjun Kharge who himself spoke about this meeting in Delhi. Then you had both DK Shivakumar and Siddaramaiah denying that they were not summoned. So what exactly is happening? Is there a decision likely? Who is delaying this decision? Why is there this kind of confusion? Why can't this crisis be resolved once and for all? Those are the questions that are being asked. Let me go across to Neha. While Niyamika gets us the updates from the national capital, tell us about what's happening in Bengaluru, because it now has become an all-out camp versus camp war. Who's meeting whom? What are the discussions that are taking place? Who's making another pitch? Because there are, when you have DKS and Siddaramaiah for the top job, then there are others also who are making a pitch for the CM's post. So what's happening today in the political circles of Karnataka?
Well, while of course, political activity is at an all-time high in the state, the fact is that, you have various MLAs right now from many camps meeting their respective, leaders of their particular communities here, trying to ascertain, of course, what may come out after that meeting with the High Command. Remember, of course, Mallikarjun Kharge in Bengaluru yesterday very clearly said that there would be a meeting that's held wherein Rahul Gandhi, the Chief Minister, the Deputy Chief Minister would be present. This crisis would be resolved, and after which a final decision would be taken on the chair of the Chief Minister and who really is, of course, supposed to be governing the state. Now, as far as, of course, the various camps are concerned, it's not just the Chief Minister's camp or the Deputy Chief Minister's camp right now, but we're also seeing, in fact, leaders, whether from the SC/ST communities or from the OBCs for that matter, now meeting, they are, of course, watching what's happening, trying to ascertain how these particular developments would then impact
Neha,
them
I want you to stay with us.